The Renault 5 is back, and this time it's fully electric. A modern revival of the iconic hatchback, the 2025 Renault 5 combines retro charm with cutting-edge technology, offering a compact EV designed for urban mobility and everyday driving. Renault has taken inspiration from the classic model, bringing back its signature shape with a fresh, futuristic twist. From the outside, the Renault 5 immediately stands out. It stays true to its heritage with a boxy yet stylish silhouette, round LED headlights, and a sleek front grille that now serves as a charging port. The flush door handles and aerodynamic lines enhance its efficiency, while the contrasting roof colors and bold wheel designs add a sporty edge. Small yet packed with character, the Renault 5 blends nostalgia with innovation in a way that few cars manage to pull off. But it's not just about looks. The Renault 5 is built on the brand new AmpR small platform, designed specifically for electric vehicles. This means a lightweight chassis, optimal battery placement for better handling, and a surprisingly spacious interior despite its compact size. Inside, drivers are greeted with a digital cockpit featuring a high-resolution infotainment screen, a customizable driver display, and physical buttons for essential controls, balancing tech with simplicity. The sustainable materials used in the cabin reinforce Renault's commitment to eco-friendliness without compromising on quality. Performance-wise, the Renault 5 delivers an engaging driving experience. Equipped with a front-mounted electric motor, it offers multiple power outputs, with the most powerful variant reaching around 150 horsepower. The battery options vary, with the largest pack providing up to 400 kilometers of range, making it practical for both city commutes and longer drives. Fast charging capabilities allow it to regain 80% charge in about 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. The suspension is tuned for comfort, while the compact dimensions make parking and maneuvering effortless. One of the biggest selling points of the Renault 5 is its affordability. Renault has positioned it as an accessible EV, with a starting price expected to be around $25,000, making it one of the most competitively priced electric hatchbacks on the market. With government incentives and lower running costs, it becomes an even more attractive option for those looking to transition to electric mobility without breaking the bank. Renault has struck the perfect balance between nostalgia and modernity with the 2025 Renault 5. It's stylish, efficient, fun to drive, and most importantly, affordable. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original or a new driver looking for a compact EV, this car is designed to turn heads and fit seamlessly into your daily life. If you enjoyed this look at the all-new Renault 5, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about this retro-inspired EV. Stay tuned for more car reviews and updates. Until next time.